Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you where to enter Cash App code. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to access your Cash App and navigate to the Activity tab. Now from there, select Invite Friends to extend invitation to your acquaintances and encourage them to explore Cash App. Now when individuals who are new to Cash App create an account, input your referral code and initiate a qualifying payment using a freshly linked debit card. Both you and the new user will receive an invitation bonus. Now, your referral code is a unique combination of numbers and letters located at the conclusion of your invitation link. It can be shared directly from the app or online. Your friends must verify their accounts and make a qualifying payment of at least £5 from a newly linked debit card within 14 days of entering your referral code. The referral bonus expires at a conclusion of 14-day period. Now, if you've received an invitation to join Cash App, you need to verify your account and input the referral code provided by the person who referred you to claim your bonus. To monitor the status of your referral, simply tap on reward status within the app. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.